Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a POV. So you always see POVs, you know, driver's points of view, this guy.
Come on.
But today we'll be seeing it from the passenger's point of passenger
Your
princess. Princess. Oh, my bad. My point of view and how it feels to drive with a lunatic.
Come on.
I called you a lunatic, sorry. He has me wearing this small ass helmet, big ass helmet. That doesn't fit my head.
Big ass helmet.
Yeah, I'm holding it, otherwise it's gonna drop forward.
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh. Let's go, my boo.
Right. Let's get it.
Said thank you. What? Oh, exactly.
Alright. So here we go.
Hey guys, here we go. Camera. Can they hear it?
Yeah.
Did you put a mic in the back?
Yeah. Oh, I actually, I got a comment saying they like the setup. Because last time I did the setup, of the mic in the back.
Yeah.
They really liked it. So
see, that's why you need me on the channel. Guys, this is why this is my channel now. I have better ideas.
oh my god, I thought it was the coral lamp that went off. If the kid's screaming.
Oh, he scared the kid.
That's the show.
Go straight. Straight down. Okay. It actually feels a bit different with the helmet. Does that make sense? It feels a bit different with the helmet.
Yeah.
You don't have to follow the sat nav.
Let's see if we can set some coral lamps off.
Let's see. Did you get scared?
You like?
Okay.
So loud.
It's loud with the helmet on. That's crazy.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
It's not as crisp though.
Yeah, it is.
It feels like it's a little bit muffled, to be honest.
Okay, yeah, look, yeah, because your ears are covered. But I'm holding it close to my ears and I can still hear it very loudly.
Do you want to tell them what's going on? What's going to happen with the car?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Why? Do you know? Well, we'll just give them a little insight.
Okay.
Obviously, we're going to make another video about it, but
sad story. Story time.
I really just tell it.
The car's leaving us.
Yeah, unfortunately, but
Yeah, we're gonna get a new car.
well, we're going to get a banger.
Yeah.
We get a banger.
But it's alright guys, I'll get the nice car. I'll be back with a Bentley.
Yeah, come on.
No, you know what? Nissan GTR. Nissan GTR. I'm getting a Nissan GTR. But yeah, so guys, say bye to Shaniqua. Shaniqua is gonna cheat and go with someone else. But then we'll have, you know what? We'll get Frank. I feel like Frank's a good car name.
No, I think next name's gonna be called Shaniqua.
What? You uncreative person. No. Terrorizing these poor people's homes. Oh my days, so we can speed over bumps. Finally.
Well, yeah, but it's gonna hurt a little bit.
It's okay, it'll hurt you in the car. Look at.
But let's get his reaction. Let him come through. You need to turn it to get his reaction.
Yeah.
Wait for him.
Listen.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Come forward a bit. Wait for it.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Oh, why are these guys pissed
Yeah,
off?
exactly. Yeah. Look at the little smile. Oh.
Oh, that's joke. Oh, look at this guy. Look.
Dramatic.
Close the ears. Oh, she was closing her ears.
Look at
Like,
them.
it's too loud. That's your problem, cuzzy. At least I drive. You
Dramatic.
don't even have a flipping license, mate.
Don't do that, because it's green. Hello? Go straight. Wait. Careful.
We should have followed it.
We should have, yeah.
Just kept revving it.
Yeah.
It must have been thinking, wait, why has she got a helmet?
Yeah.
In it as well.
Wait, you can't go that way. Turn back around. Wait, can I talk? Huh?
Set local buses and permit holders.
Can I talk to you?
Huh?
Can I talk to you?
What do you mean?
So I think he struggled as well on the test.
You reckon why?
Because she hasn't been in a car in London.
No.
Yeah, like you have to see things. Like, why do I know where you can and can't park? You can't park anywhere because you get fined. I know because we've gotten fines. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
How do I know you can't go through there? Because every time I see that sign, you say you can't. Yeah. She's pissed. You're waking up her baby. She's trying to put him to sleep. Careful. He didn't see that.
No, didn't see the one.
I saw it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sarah, follow me on YouTube. Who's saying yeah? Come on. Is he behind?
I think. No. Yeah. Oh, he's up there.
Oh.
It's probably one of the houses.
Yeah, I messed it up. Did I mess it up?
No.
Come on. Go again. Why is he so happy? That's cute. It's like an in-between of dirty looks and big fat smiles. It's emotionally confusing. Don't worry. Oh, okay.
Actually got 2 gears in there. That was nice.
Is it?
Normally you can only do 1.
Yeah, because there's
second
bumps.
gear.
Yeah.
In London, that's it.
like I'm too nosy for a helmet. I really want to turn around.
The way he changes gears, like
Yeah.
like a snap. It's like you just go and it snaps. It's like,
Yeah.
snap. Snap. Snap.
Oh.
Crazy, bro.
Turn, follow him. And then turn left, right? Did we not see him before? Turn left, I think. Yeah, follow. Follow the leader.
Cross.
Come on.
I swear to God, yeah, people in London, yeah, cross the road so elegantly and so like, I don't know, like, I don't even know, bro.
You're just such a car driver. Yeah, we're cruising. You run the whole day, let me cross in my own time. Oh? Okay. Oh my days, I just got an idea. That was
hear
loud.
it like echoing through echoing on the other cars, and it's so loud.
Oh my days.
Nice slow
Yeah.
fast.
Okay, my hearing's gone.
That's crazy. You can hear the rumble as well because it's slow. Now, why are you so close to the activities?
Mercedes. He scared him. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Look down a little bit while you're doing. Up. Okay. Look down, look around. So,
Oh, I can move.
yeah.
You could have said. So just act normal and they see my point of view. I look into people's cars and then picking their bogies.
Do the hand jazz.
Go that way.
The jazz hand.
That's good, a little bit. She smiled at me.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Girls are nice, just not to you. You're a man. Don't kiss your teeth at me. Girls are nice to girls. There it is. Are we finished?
Yeah.
Huh?
I feel like you did that on purpose.
Of course I did.
Oh no.
That was loud. We're gonna do a few more rumbles without you because we wanna enjoy the car. But yeah, there's the last you'll hear from Shaniqua. And what's your name, sir?
Ayman.
IE
Well,
man.
you're IE.
Oh, I'm IE. Oh, it's a baby trying to sleep. I'm IE man. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, leave a like, and yeah, it's been me, Shaniqua, the true IE man.
Obviously, guys, you know what it is, yeah. I got a trainee apprentice, yeah, making videos with me. You know how it is, yeah. Obviously, yeah. But yeah, obviously, she's my business partner now. You get me, business partner, wife, girlfriend, whatever you want to call it, yeah. But yeah, man, it's I think it's a wrap. It's a bit of a wrap still, but I mean, yeah, man. Obviously, we got the car. We already said in the big video that the car's gonna be going. Because I'm just, all I'm going to say is I'm not happy with it. That's what I'm going to say. But yeah, man, it's going to go. Possibly this month or next month. I'm not too sure, but yeah, it's going to be sad times. I love the car so much. It's had fresh tires, brakes, everything. Everything's clean. If you're interested, service history, everything is sick. Yeah. If you're interested, let me know. Yeah, man. But it's going to be going up on Facebook Marketplace at some point to sell it. And yeah, I'll probably run around in a banger. And then, yeah, there's a car that needs to come out. Sugar, they're a bit annoyed. I don't know. Can I close the door? Possibly, maybe. Can I close the door? Yeah, we can close the door. Can they come through? Yeah, they can come through. But yeah, man, guys. Like she said, hit that subscribe button. Also, like the video. Go on, sir. You're in the YouTube video. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment down below and tell me what you think. Should I get rid of it? I mean, it doesn't matter if you guys say not to. I'm still going to get rid of it anyways. But let me know in the comment section below. Tell me, give me ideas. What should I get next after I drive my banger? Obviously, I want to drive the banger, save up a little bit, then get something else. But leave your suggestion down in the comment section below. Tell me what I should get next. And then, yeah, man, we'll be doing more POVs and just doing bits. But yeah, guys, thank you. Bye-bye.